Hello everyone and welcome to the next update for the Harnetty Steam Model Railway, as you can see here. Now first off, I'd like to apologise for the delay for the April update, even though we are in on the 10th of May, on the day of the making of this content. Things have changed a lot since I last did the update in March, and you can see a lot has changed indeed. So I would like to take you through what's been happening since our last update. Okay, as you can see here on the layout, now we've got a lot more scenery and a few more buildings coming into play. So basically the scenery part, as you can see from the last time in March, 75% of the scenery you see with the grass and the tarmac is basically complete. There's still a few areas to go, including, as you can see, the diecast vehicles, as you can see here, marking out for the road has now already started here. And also, the last update, the bridge, as you can see here, that was originally supposed to be at the top end, as you can see there where the building is. Now, it was decided to move it here, because with the middle arch is the benefit of it can accommodate up to 2 tracks. But with it being the branch line, it can accommodate just 1 track and also eligible for the biggest engines on the layout. The recently acquired buildings, as you can see here, the Great Western Engine Goods Shed, my apologies, that was just recently been acquired from Hattons, which can now be the home of this train. Remember how this will give you a massive giveaway of what it is. Yes, it is the recreational side of the Titfield Thunderbolt. Although this is not exactly how it is, but it's the nearest I can get to it. Until now, following April's announcement from Rapido Trains UK, they're doing a coach pack of the Titfield Thunderbolt, including Mr. Valentine's buffet car and the towed brake. So this is running on my layout temporarily until where it should be arriving in 2022, the coach pack I ordered through Rails of Sheffield, which I'm very looking forward to that. Moving a bit further along here, what you see is the engine shed. It's a Northeastern Railway 2-road engine shed. As you can see, the 2 engines occupying the shed there. My J15 65462 and Sir Keith Park, the rebuild Battle of Britain, which is one of the few Pacifics that is allowed to run on my layout that is eligible to go around first radius curves, which is the tightest you can get on the model railway. Thanks to the flangeless wheel you have underneath the cab of some of the Pacifics, especially some of the retooled models. A lot of work has been put into the track, such as the ballasting, and that took about 3 goes trying to get it right, and then doing some cameo ideas with the embankments, as you can see here. Now this is the next step I'm doing. It's a car park and a small taxi rank. Now the wall, as you can see here, from Hornby Scaledale, I think, my apologies, comment below if I've got it mistaken. This is only a sketch idea before it's permanently put down. And also our garage, which will be placed there. Once again, it's only like a sketch idea before the final decision is made. Then this massive space here, there's going to be some more buildings, such as here for the fire brigade. We're going to have a terraced house, a petrol station, and where those vintage buses are, as you can see there, there's going to be a bus depot, or like a bus museum around there. And obviously these here is our 3 loops, where trains can pass each other and stuff like that on the single line section. And also the place for our photo shoot, where we've got each locomotives coming on or off or whatever. So that's a good idea solution. Anyway, enough of me talking about this layout. Let's see some of the trains in action, shall we?
So that's it then, folks, for this month's edition for April. Despite running late, I do apologise for the late running for the update in April, as I have been very busy, since, as we all know, Heritage Railways have been able to reopen since Step 2 of the lockdown came to an end. And I can tell you, during the making of this content update for the model railway, Boris Johnson made the announcement Step 3
will be going ahead on May the 17th, which means charter trains for steam, diesel and electric traction can resume from the 17th of May at the earliest. Which indoor hospitality was crucial for that one because, as you all know, first class and premier dining counts as indoor hospitality. So I'm absolutely delighted to have heard the news during the making of this content that charter trains will be able to commence running again from Monday the 17th of May 2021. Anyway, thank you all so much for watching. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe and turn on the notifications so you'll be right up to date for when my next new content becomes available. As you all know, the model railway is going to slow down a bit because my mainline and Heritage Railway filmies does get priority on this matter. Thank you all so much for watching, stay safe and I hope to see you all next time. So till then, goodbye.